Hello everyone! In today's video, I will walk you through the process of making purchases on TikTok Shop using PayPal, ensuring a seamless shopping experience. So first, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Navigate to the shop section by tapping on the shopping bag icon located at the bottom of the screen. Next, explore the available products and select the items you wish to purchase. Tap on Add to Cart to include them in your shopping list. So once you have added all desired items to your cart, tap on the cart icon to review your selections. Ensure that the items and quantities are correct. Then proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, choose PayPal as your payment option. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page within the TikTok app. Enter your PayPal email and password to log in. Review the payment details and authorize the transaction. So once confirmed, your PayPal account will be charged. And that's it. You have successfully made a purchase on TikTok Shop using PayPal. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.